Hi there, it's Maureen the Knitting Mama. I'm back with my third video out of 3 on how to create this beautiful wave stitch shawl. The pattern will be in the description of this video, and on my first video I showed you how to cast on. I showed you how to knit and purl, which is a stockinette stitch. The second one where I showed you how to knit this beautiful pattern, and now I'm going to show you how to cast off, and I'm going to show you how to weave in the ends to make a really polished project. Alrighty, so I'm going to adjust the camera and show you my hands. Alrighty, thanks. Hold on. And here are my hands. And here's my project. This is the back side of the project, and this is the front side of the project. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to cast off. And there's the stitch marker. You just remove the stitch markers as you get to them. And I cast off already most of it because I didn't want to bore you. But here's how you cast off. 1, 2, 3. You're just going to knit that, and then you're going to take that first stitch next to your hand and bring it over. So you're going to knit 1. Now you have 2 stitches, and you're going to bring that over. Knit 1. There's your 2 stitches, and you're going to bring it over. Knit 1 and bring it over. And you're going to try to cast off as loose as possible. Knit 1, bring it over, knit 1, and bring it over as loose as possible, okay? Because then you'll have a very comfortable, beautiful edge. So knit 1 and bring it over, knit 1, we're almost there. If you just watch these videos over and over, you definitely will get the hang of knitting. Knit, well, not knitting, this is casting off. And then knit 1, and you take that stitch and bring it over, and here's the last stitch. And you bring it over. Okay, so with that last loop, you're going to take the rest of your yarn and wrap it once, and now watch this, and then I'm going to pull it over, and now I have an end that I need to weave in. Okay, because you want everything to be nice and no edges like this, little strings all over. So you take your darning needle, which is just a big needle with a big eye there, and then this is the back side. You can see it's the back side because it has this. This is the front side, which is nice and clean. So you take your back side and you take your tail, all the edges, and you go like that, and you weave it in like that. And then again, you just pierce the yarn like this. You're not gonna, it's just the best way to weave in all the ends, so it just makes everything look classy and clean. And you could do it one more time. You could do it anywhere you want. Knitting is really just about doing it the way, how it feels good to you. And then I'm going to cut that. Now I can cut it. I couldn't cut it before because I didn't weave in those ends. So now you pull it, see? And now I'm going to adjust my camera. See how beautiful that is? Adjust my camera again so I could show you the finished project. And here's the finished project. I love doing this. This is the best part of knitting. So here we go. Let me adjust it. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. It's a beautiful shawl scarf. You can flip it over You can wear it any way you want. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That beautiful wave stitch. I love it. It makes me so happy. Okay. Thank you for tuning in and watching me make this beautiful wave stitch shawl. Alrighty. Thank you. Bye.